Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see the process of creating a new financial year. Before starting the process, we would like to inform you that if you are using a multi-user software, the new financial year can be created only with admin credentials. Now, let's begin the new financial year creation process. First, select Utilities and Tools section and click on New Financial Year. The financial year list will open. Here, you will see the current financial year in which you are currently working. To create a new financial year, click on Create. The new financial year creation window will be open. Here, the new financial year will be set from April 1st. Click on Save and your new financial year will be successfully created. Once created, you will see the financial year drop down in the dashboard. From here, you can view and switch between both the previous and the new financial year. For your information, please note that if there are any pending challans or orders from the previous financial year, they will be adjusted in the new financial year. This is how you can create a new financial year in MargBooks. Thank you for watching.